and welcome back to our channel. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Heather.
And we were not able to upload yesterday, so we are going to do days 11 and 12 today. So we get two. And we also wanted to welcome you back to the common room with it now having all of its Christmas decorations up. It looks so pretty and festive, and we're so excited to open days 11 and 12 of the Cinereplica Advent Calendar in our new festive setting. So without further ado, we will go ahead and get into this. So let's see, day 11, and it's so fitting. Day 11 is Hogwarts Castle, the beautiful school herself. I'm so excited to see what's in it.
It's a big one.
It is. It's a bigger box. Let's see. Okay, hang on. Here we go.
There we go.
Sometimes I have trouble opening these. Let's see.
Oh, a luggage tag?
It's a luggage tag, and it says Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry Flying Lessons. Oh, that's so cool. And it has someone, probably a Quidditch player, over the castle.
That is really cool.
So cool.
I like how useful these things are.
Yeah, because you all know we love to travel, so this is going to be perfect.
Yeah.
I love it. And it says Hogwarts Flying Lessons, and it's even in the symbol on there. That's so cool. I love this. This is awesome. And it's got a nice feel to it too. It feels very durable and sturdy, so it will hold up to, you know, flying, whether it's in an aircraft or on a broomstick or flue powder, however you're traveling, apparating. Let us know in the comments below, what is your favorite way to travel in the wizarding world? I think that apparating would be really good. I think I would like that because I'm not a huge flyer, so even though we fly a lot, I'm not a huge flyer.
I think flue powder would be fun.
Yeah.
It just sounds fun. Like when I picture like a water tube, just like.
And that's why I wouldn't pick that. Although I would try it once. Let's
see what 12 is. It's got the wand on there and some hot chocolate.
Oh, it does. Let me see. Oh, that's so cute.
Let's see here. Oh, it's a little notepad. It says, I'd rather stay at Hogwarts this Christmas. Oh, that's cute. And there's Hedwig.
Hogwarts at Christmas would be so magical.
That is really, really cute.
That is one place that we really want to go and is on our bucket list. We went to the Harry Potter studio tour at Leavesden in 2012, but we really want to go back sometime for Christmas so we can see the Great Hall in all of her Christmas and Yule Ball glory. It would be so pretty.
Just trying to open this quietly.
And if you look on for day 11 and on there, it's the same art that's on the notepad. I think that's really cool. I love the art on here.
There's the flyer too, the Quidditch player.
Yeah.
Edwin,
oh yeah, that's
really
true.
Cute.
That's true. You can kind of see that there.
I was just flipping through here, and yeah, it's all the same picture, but I love that. It's really, really cute. That's a good one. I like it.
Those are both really good days. So that is day 11 and 12 of our Cinereplicas Harry Potter Deluxe Advent Calendar, and we hope that you join us tomorrow for day 13. Bye.